Fontsmith, a bespoke typeface design company, wanted to launch their characteristic library of fonts in China. Historically, fonts are sold as shapes devoid of any personality or meaning. So how do you bring out a font's true character and make it feel alive? The solution was to create an online dating profile of a Western girl living in Shanghai, a friendly, outgoing type looking for love. The profile managed to trigger a lot of genuine responses from male suitors, all trying to sell themselves with their well-chosen words. The flirtatious emails that showed the most personality were then brought to life by a Fontsmith typeface that reflected the writer's character, be it bold, cheeky, or charming. Quirky sentences, spelling, and grammatical errors were also included, making the messages all the more charming. In turn, the fonts delivering the heartfelt messages were crafted into individual pieces of art, ranging from oil paintings, stone, and stitched leather, each medium helping to accentuate the suitor's personality. For example, a tough, confident-sounding man was married with a bold, strong font and crafted out of angular metal. The finished pieces were then exhibited in a Shanghai art gallery. A private view was held for typographers, designers, editors, and the press, followed by public access. This resulted in press and online coverage for Fontsmith. Following on from the exhibition, a book of the art pieces was published and given away as a direct mail piece to all of Fontsmith's potential clients. The pieces were then shipped to Europe so that they could be exhibited in London and other cities. And the Western girl, living in Shanghai, she even managed to go on a few interesting dates.